Holy cow, it is coming down. Hilton Head 2016 spring break. Looks like we are just about, oh, what happened? We're close. We're within about 10 miles of where we need to be. And welcome to Hilton Head. Yay. Shorty, Hilton Head. Baby girl, what do you think about Hilton Head? What do you think, buddy?
I love it. It's very rainy.
All right, yay, we're here. Now it's time to go home. Oh my gosh. What did you think about that?
Oh my gosh.
That was freaking awesome. She's smiling. Oh golly.
Go back there and get my heart.
Yeah.
You just had on video?
I think I got it on tape.